Your Apple Watch Ultra 3 deserves more than just a strap. It deserves accessories that elevate every moment. Today, we're exploring the 6 best Apple Watch Ultra 3 accessories 2025 that add comfort, style, and power. Welcome to my channel. Links are in the description. So let's dive straight into the essentials. The number 6 product on our list is Astorgos Sport Band. Sweat, discomfort, and flimsy straps are the biggest frustrations for active Apple Watch users, and that's exactly the problem the Astorgos Sport Band solves with confidence. Crafted from premium soft silicone and reinforced with a stainless steel connector, it feels solid yet comfortable. Tested for real-world comfort across workouts, outdoor runs, and long days of wear. The unique, tubular wave design isn't just for looks. It enhances breathability, wicks away sweat, and gives you that peace of mind when pushing through high-intensity sessions. Compared to more basic bands, Astorgos stands out by combining durability with style, offering multiple color choices that let you match mood or outfit effortlessly. Adjustability is smooth, with a dual buckle hold that feels secure no matter how active you are, solving the common issue of slipping bands during exercise. While it's sport-hooked and less suited for formal occasions, for athletes and fitness lovers, it's a smart, reliable pick. This is the kind of accessory that adds comfort, safety, and style in one seamless package. At number 5 is Odbeai Sport Band. Sweaty wrists, loose fits, and boring designs often ruin the Apple Watch experience, but the Astorgos Sport Band changes all that. Built from premium silicone with a stainless steel connector, it's tested for real-world comfort, making it perfect for workouts, running, or all-day wear. The tubular wave design isn't just stylish, it improves breathability and keeps your skin dry when training gets intense, bringing a sense of relief and focus. Compared to standard straps that slip or trap sweat, Astorgos offers a secure dual-buckle system that holds steady, giving peace of mind during high-intensity movement. Multiple color options let you match your personality and outfit, adding a personal touch many users appreciate. While it leans more toward active lifestyles and may not be the first pick for formal events, it delivers where it matters most: durability, comfort, and performance. For fitness-driven Apple Watch Ultra 3 owners, this band feels like a smart, future-ready choice that elevates both function and style. At number 4 is Spigen Glass Screen Protector. One accidental bump on a doorframe can ruin the beauty of your Apple Watch Ultra 3, and that fear alone is enough to make protection a must. The Spigen Glass Screen Protector takes away that worry with its 9H tempered glass durability, tested for real-world comfort in everyday use. What makes it stand out is the auto-alignment kit, which means no more bubbles or frustrating installs, just a clean, flawless finish in seconds. Touch responsiveness feels smooth and natural, so you won't lose that premium Apple Watch experience. Compared to cheaper protectors that scratch easily or reduce clarity, Spigen keeps visuals sharp and vibrant, giving you peace of mind without compromise. It pairs seamlessly with Spigen's rugged armor and thin-fit cases, adding an extra layer of defense where it matters most. While it's mainly tailored for Spigen cases, its precision fit and long-lasting strength make it a safe choice. For anyone serious about protecting their watch, this feels like a smart investment in both safety and style. The third one on our list is ESR Glass Screen Protector. Scratches and cracks can turn a premium Apple Watch Ultra 3 into a daily worry, but the ESR Glass Screen Protector delivers the kind of protection that feels like true peace of mind. Built with ultra-hard tempered glass and reinforced by an aluminum alloy frame, it's tested for real-world comfort and strength, withstanding serious impact without compromising clarity. Unlike flimsy protectors that dull brightness or ruin touch response, ESR keeps the screen sharp, responsive, and fingerprint-free, giving you that seamless Apple Watch experience you don't want to lose. The wraparound design is sleek, blending with the watch instead of making it look bulky, a clear advantage over bulky Spigen protectors. Installation is quick and simple, sliding on without the hassle of removing bands, solving one of the biggest pain points for users. The only drawback is that the metal edges may show minor wear over time, but the trade-off is worth it for the safety it provides. For outdoor adventurers or everyday users, it feels like a smart, future-ready choice. On number 2 is JERXUN Hard PC Bumper Case. One slip during a workout or a bump against a wall can leave your Apple Watch Ultra 3 scratched forever. And that's exactly the problem the JERXUN Hard PC bumper case was built to solve. Designed with a rugged hard PC shell and built-in 9H tempered glass, it offers full protection tested for real-world comfort while keeping the watch's premium look intact. The clarity of the glass is impressive, maintaining sharp visuals and touch sensitivity so you never feel like you're compromising usability for safety. Compared to ESR's sleek aluminum frame protector, JERXUN leans more toward rugged durability, making it the better pick for those who push their watch through harsher environments. The anti-fingerprint coating adds a layer of relief for everyday use, keeping the screen clean and smudge-free. Installation is straightforward, and the kit includes everything you need for a smooth fit. The only drawback is a bit of added bulk, but for athletes, outdoor adventurers, or anyone hard on their gear, this case feels like a smart, reliable shield. Now moving to the last one is Goton Metal Case. A premium watch deserves premium protection. And that's exactly what the Goton metal case brings to the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Crafted with a refined metallic finish, it feels more like a natural extension of the watch than just an add-on. Tested for real-world comfort in both style and durability, the raised edges instantly give peace of mind, guarding against scratches from everyday bumps, while the ceramic-like back cover ensures full coverage without compromising touch sensitivity or water resistance. Compared to JERXUN's rugged plastic bumper, Goton leans into elegance, making it ideal for those who want protection without sacrificing aesthetics. It pairs seamlessly with official bands, keeping your look sharp whether at the gym, the office, or a night out. The installation is simple, and charging remains hassle-free, saving time and frustration. The only trade-off is a slightly heavier feel than silicone options, but for many, that weight translates to premium reassurance. For style-conscious users who value safety, this case feels like the smart upgrade. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best Apple Watch Ultra 3 Access 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!